In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix website from Live Web. If you've been working on a site and you're not ready for the world to see it, or you simply want to take it offline for a while, unpublishing is the cleanest way to do that. This doesn't delete your work or your account. It just removes the live version so visitors can't access it while keeping everything safe in your Wix dashboard for future editing. Start on your site dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're looking at the right one by checking the site name and thumbnail at the top. From here, look to the left-hand panel and click on Settings. This is your control center for everything related to your site's status and preferences, and it's where you'll handle the change that takes your site offline. Inside Settings, go to Website Settings. This section focuses on the core state of your site. Here, look for the option labeled Unpublish. Select Unpublish and that's it. Your website is removed from the live web. There's no need to delete pages, themes, or content. Everything stays intact behind the scenes, ready for you to continue working privately. Once you've selected Unpublish, visitors who try to reach your site will no longer see your pages. If you're using a custom domain, they may see a basic placeholder or an unavailable message instead of your content. On your end, nothing important disappears. You can still access your editor, update your layout, write new copy, or reorganize your pages at your own pace without any of it being visible publicly. A quick note about search engines. If your site was already indexed, it can take a little time for search results to reflect the change. People may still see old links for a short while, but those links won't load your live content after unpublishing. That delay is normal and typically resolves on its own as search engines refresh their listings. When you're ready to go public again, you can publish the site at any time and pick up right where you left off. Until then, unpublishing gives you a safe, reversible pause, ideal for redesigns, seasonal updates, or simply stepping back to refine your message. And if you collaborate with others, your team can keep editing in the background without any visitor-facing changes. That's all it takes. Click Settings on the left pane, go to Website Settings, select Unpublish, and your Wix website is off the live web while your work stays secure.